In this video, we will see the methods for solving pair of linear equations. We have already seen that there are two different methods and two different methods. That methods are, first method is a graphical method, and second method is a algebraic method. So now today we will see graphical method. Already we have seen how to solve the example using graphical method. Today we will see the algebraic method and the example and the different method that are there, that are types of algebraic method we will see today. So algebraic method can be again get divided into the three different methods. Algebraic method can be divided into the three different method, and that three different method are, first is the substitution method. First method is a substitution method. Second method is a elimination. Second is a elimination method, whereas third method is a cross multiplication. Method. So now here we have to solve the pair of linear equation. So for solving pair of linear equation, two main important methods are there, and that are graphical method and algebraic method. So this graphical method, using graphical method, how to solve the example we have seen. Algebraic method are having again three different methods for solving the linear equations, and that are substitution method. First method is a substitution method, second is a elimination method, and third is a cross multiplication method. So today we will see, in this video we will see the substitution method and how to solve the example using substitution method. So I will take example, that example will solve using substitution method only. We will see substitution method now. Substitution method. So how to solve the example using substitution method, that we'll see. The first example I will take is x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. This is the example, and that example we have to solve using substitution method. So here in this, for solving this example, I will give these equations as name as x plus y is equal to 14. This is the equation number first, and x minus y is equal to 4. This is the equation number second. X plus y is equal to 14 is equation number first, whereas x minus y equal to 4 is equation number second. Now in this, what I will do, I will take any one of the equation, convert this equation in only one variable. Here x plus y is equal to 14 is the first equation, x minus y is equal to 4 is the second equation. We can choose any one of the equation. So here I will select equation number second. मैं यहाँ पे second equation select करता हूँ, because using this equation we can solve the example easily. Here I will take here this x minus y equal to 4. So I will write here from equation second I will write, as here x minus y equal to 4 is there. So if we shift this y toward right side, what we will get here, x equal to 4 plus y. As sign of y is minus on the left hand side, if we shift on the right hand side, we will get plus sign, so we will get x equal to 4 plus y. Now I will write here, put the value of x equal to 4 plus y in equation first. As we have selected the value of this x from equation second, we have solved this, and we have this, whatever the value of x we have obtained, this value we have obtained from equation number second, and that's why we will put the value of x in equation number first. सेकंड से इसको हमने सॉल्व किया है, इसलिए हम इसको सेकंड में नहीं रखेंगे, हम इसको इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट में रखेंगे. सो व्हाट विल गेट, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x equal to 4 plus y in equation first. So I will write equation first. What is equation number first? Equation first is x plus y is equal to 14. So I will replace this x with this value, that is a 4 plus y. So I will write here, instead of this x I will write 4 plus y. This is the value of x plus this y will be as it is equal to 14. So as here no minus sign is there, that's why I will directly remove the bracket. It is possible to remove this bracket, and I will write here therefore 4 plus y is equal to 14. Here we will get y plus y 2y, so that will get 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. I will shift this 4 toward left, that is right hand side. So we will get here 2y is equal to 14 minus 4, so that gives 2y is equal to 10. 14 minus 4, 10. So here 2 is there in the multiplication. If we take on the right hand side, we will get 10 divided by 2. So that will get y is equal to 10 upon 2, and that gives 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. So we will get here y equal to 5. What we get? Value of y equal to 5. Once we get the value of y, so I will write here put value of y in x. That is x equal to, what is x equal to? X equal to here 4 plus y. So I will write x equal to 4 plus y, and that gives 4 plus value of y equal to what? What is the value of x? Y is value of y is a 5. So I will write here 4 plus 5, and that is a 9, and therefore the value of x equal to 9, and therefore we can say at the last what we will write, and therefore x equal to 9 and y equal to 5 is solution of given linear equations. So here this is nothing but the substitution method, that is we have taken the x plus y equal to 14, x minus y equal to 4. From this we can select any one of the equation. We can select here equation number first also. हम इसमें equation number first को भी select कर सकते थे. That is जैसे कि here in equation number first, if we transfer the value of x toward right hand side, what will get? Y equal to 14 minus x. Y equal to 14 minus x. So this value also we can put in equation number second, and we will get the same answer. So this is nothing but the substitution method, and that is convert one equation in any one of the variable. Whatever the answer that we are getting, put the value of that variable. Here we have converted in term of x, put this value in term of equation number second. Convert equation, any one of the equation in any one of the variable, and put that value in the another variable. You will get the answer, and that is nothing but the substitution method. Here I will take again one of the example, and that example is what? S minus t equal to 3 is one equation, and s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. This is the second equation. So here now if we see both the equations, then in these both the equations, equation number, this equation is a simple one. This we can convert easily in any one of the variable. So in answer I will write this as s minus 2 equal to 3, equation number first, and s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6 as equation number second. So I will write here from equation first, because first equation is the easier one. You can convert this equation also, but here as this is a simple equation, that's why I will select the first equation. So I will write here from equation first, what we get? We can shift this t toward right side. T को हम shift करते हैं right side में, because if we shift s toward right side, then it will get somewhat different one, somewhat complicated. That's why we'll take this t and we will shift this t towards right hand side. So what we will get from equation 1, we will get s equal to 3 plus t. What we get? S equal to 3 plus t. So now this we have solved from equation number first. हमने इसको solve किया किस, from which equation? Using equation number first. So I will write put value of s in equation second. Why? Because this we have solved from equation number first. इसको हमने फर्स्ट को यूज करके सॉल्व किया, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इस इक्वेशन को हम रखेंगे इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड में, इस वैल्यू को. सो आई विल राइट हियर व्हाट इज इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड. equation number second I will write as it is. S upon 3 plus T upon 2 is equal to 6. So what is the value of S? S value is a 3 plus a T. So I will write in a bracket because two terms are there. So I will write here 3 plus a T. This is nothing but the value of S. Whatever this value of S is there, that's we have replaced with this bracket, and upon 3 is there plus T upon 2 is there and right hand side 6 is there. So हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे S के वैल्यू को रिप्लेस किया. S की वैल्यू हमने कौन सी इक्वेशन का यूज करके सॉल्व की? फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को यूज करके हमने सॉल्व की. नाउ आई विल राइट here how to solve this. Now here we will multiply this 2 with this and 3 with this. That is a cross multiplication method we will use here. So if we multiply this with 2, then we have to multiply with this whole bracket. So I will write 2 in a bracket 3 plus T upon 3 plus this 3 we have to multiply with this 3, that is T, that is a 3 into T, or we can say 3T upon what? Sorry, here plus and we have to write here this 3 into 2 we have to multiply downside. So what we get here, 3 to the 6 is equal to 6. That is a 2 we have multiplied this with bracket, 3 multiplied with this T upon 3 to the 6 is equal to 6. Now if we multiply this 2 with this bracket, what we get? 2 into 3 we will get here 6 plus 2 into 3 6, 2 into T 2T plus this 3T is as it is, 3T as it is upon this 6 as it is equal to 6. So what we get in the numerator? In the numerator we get 6 plus 2T plus 3T upon 6 is equal to 6. This 2T plus 3T we can add. So we'll get here 6 plus 2T plus 3T. We'll get here 5T. Now this 6 will shift toward right hand side. 6 ने यहाँ पे डिवाइड किया है, उधर उस साइड ये क्या करेगा? मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. So we'll get here 6 into 6. So what we get here? 6 plus 5T is equal to 36. Now here 6 here. If we shift this 6 toward right hand side, what will we get here? We'll get here 5T is equal to 36 minus 6. So that gives 5T is equal to 36 minus 6. We'll get here 30. So now if we take this 5 to our right hand side, we'll get here 30. We'll get here 30 divided by 5, and that gives 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30. What we get here? 6. So we will get here T is equal to 6. What we get here? T is equal to 6. Once we get the value of T equal to 6, we can put this value in equation number, or we can put the value of T equal to 6 in value of S, that is S equal to 3 plus T. हमें S की T की तो वैल्यू हमें मिल गई है. To find the value of S, we have S equal to 3 plus T. So I will write, for finding the value of S, I will write now, put T equal to 5 in S. So what is S? S is nothing but S is equal to what? What is S? Value of S here is a value of S is 3 plus T. Value of S is 3 plus T. So I will write here S equal to value of S equal to 3 plus T, and that gives 3 plus 5, and that is equal to 8. So value of S equal to 8, and therefore we can say S equal to 8 comma T equal to 5 is the solution for given pair of equations. So in this way we have seen the substitution method and two different examples using substitution method. Try to solve the examples from exercise 3.2, and the different examples are there using substitution method. If you face any difficulties, then put that questions on the group. I will solve that questions.